Hello everyone. Today, I'd like to introduce the Institute of Science of Mind, College of Traditional Studies. Please enjoy this short tour of the campus and take in its beautiful surroundings. The Institute of Science of Mind is located on the hill above Semtokha Dzong in Bhutan. Surrounded by beautiful nature and peaceful surroundings, the campus offers a calm and inspiring environment for learning. Its scenic location makes it one of the most pleasant places for higher education. The Institute of Science of Mind, College of Traditional Studies, was established in 2014. The Institute's main mission is to promote the true foundations of inner peace and happiness through Bhutan's rich traditional culture, with special emphasis on the teachings of Buddhism. It is dedicated to preserving and promoting the nation's language, culture, and traditions, which are important symbols of Bhutan's national identity. The institute also aims to develop students' knowledge, skills, and moral character by encouraging integrity, responsibility, and an understanding of the law of karma. It prepares students to serve the king, country, and people, while contributing to the vision of gross national happiness. The first president of the Institute of Science of Mind, College of Traditional Studies, through his exceptional wisdom, dedication, and visionary leadership, Khenpo Sangye Khandro has made invaluable contributions to the establishment and development of the institute. His efforts in preserving and promoting Bhutan's traditional knowledge, Buddhist teachings, and cultural heritage serve as an inspiration for students and the wider community. We respectfully honor his noble service and guidance, which continue to strengthen the foundation of the institute. The current president of the Institute of Science of Mind, College of Traditional Studies, is Khenpo Tenzin Wangchuk. With his profound knowledge, wisdom, dedication, and visionary leadership, Khenpo Tenzin Wangchuk has been making valuable contributions to the management and development of the institute, as well as to the preservation and promotion of Bhutan's traditional knowledge and Buddhist education. Sincerely appreciate and respect his continuous efforts in providing quality education to students and guiding them towards the understanding of traditional studies and Buddhist values. The Institute of Science of Mind, College of Traditional Studies, has highly qualified, respected, and experienced lecturers who possess great knowledge, wisdom, and expertise. These eminent scholars are dedicated to sharing their valuable knowledge, guiding students with compassion, and making continuous efforts to preserve and promote Bhutan's rich traditional culture and Buddhist teachings. With their deep understanding, noble vision, and strong commitment to education, they play an important role in developing students' knowledge, skills, and values. Their guidance and teachings encourage students to learn with dedication, responsibility, and enthusiasm. The presence of such distinguished scholars and lecturers makes this institute a unique place of learning, wisdom, and meaningful education. We deeply respect and appreciate their valuable contributions to the development of the institute and to the education of future generations.
मोरू
가지라 전에 진지자 민초 봄이 넘지야 추워 잠지에 소나래 모로로 소나래 모로로 Sola